We will see how to use a sub function which is present in the regular expression package. So before that, we just recollect how to do with the string replace method. So as it is going to give you a new string, I am trying to change the lorry into the bus word by using the string replace method. So when I do that, I am going to get the output as red bus and yellow bus, which has been stored in the variable x. The same, if I want to use the sub function which is in the regular expression package, the regular expression package is more powerful than the normal string method. So to use that, we have to import regular expression package, that is RE. Then as we are having the txt there, x is equal to re dot sub. We are trying to replace the word lorry with the bus and where it has been stored in the txt. So it has been replaced. So either you can do with the string replace method or you can use the substitution, that is sub function, which is stored in the RE regular expression package. Here we will learn how to use the split function which is there in the regular expression package. So to use that, first we have to import the package, import RE. I am trying to split the text variable wherever the space appears. The space is nothing but /s from the input string txt. So print x here. So wherever the spaces are there, that is here first space, second space, third space. So it has been splitted into 4 elements. Suppose here I am having comma. And I want to split that at comma. So how many elements you will be having? As it is splitting in this part, this will be the first element and this will be the second element. For the same string, I tried to do some changes here, trying to include some different characters. Trying to split that by giving those special characters, whatever I specified. Then it has been split in 3 different places wherever these particular 3 characters appeared in the given input string. Suppose my input string is red big lorry and yellow small lorry, and in between some character is there. So now I am trying to split the word wherever either the big or small or hyphen. These 3 I am trying to check and split there. So print of x, you are going to get big appeared, so it has been splitted. Hyphen is there, so here it splitted, but here it didn't split. Why? Because it is case sensitive. I had given in the small s, but here it has been represented in the capital S. If I give here the capital S, you are going to get as 4 elements. Fine.